How to fix YouTube Studio not loading on iPhone. Is your YouTube Studio app stuck on loading? Here's how to fix it fast. Ensure that the app has permission to access storage, camera, or background activity if needed. Close the app completely and relaunch it. It may have frozen due to background tasks. If the app won't load, open YouTube Studio in Safari as a temporary alternative. Go to Safari and type studio.youtube.com. It will take you to the website. And now you can monitor your channel again without any delay. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.